Let me hit you with something that's gonna piss you off right out of the gate. Just because you fixed your life does not mean that your life is gonna fix itself. It's a hard truth. You quit drinking, you lost the weight, you're waking up early, maybe you got therapy, working out, you're doing all the right things, and you're sitting there thinking, where the hell is everything that I was supposed to get back? Where's my wife? Where's my family? Where are my children? Where's the respect? What in the hell am I doing? Where's the payoff? And the truth is, it might not be coming back. Not the way you want it. Maybe not the way you deserve it, but maybe not the way you want it, or maybe not at all. And you probably don't want to hear that. A lot of people get into self-improvement like it's a transaction. I do this, so I get this. Wouldn't that be nice? I fix myself, so my life gives me my old life back, and even better, maybe you're thinking. But it's definitely not how this works. You're not rebuilding your life to get your old life back. You're rebuilding your life so you're not the person anymore that you used to be. That's it. That's the entire mission. Because here's the reality. If your kids don't come back or talk to you right away, if your ex is done, if they don't trust you, that didn't happen overnight. And it's not going to get fixed overnight either. Sometimes it never goes back to what it was. Sometimes that's okay. But if that breaks you, you're going to quit. But if you understand this next critical part, your danger is in the best way. You're not doing the work for a guarantee. You're doing the work to become ready for the moment when life starts to open doors. Because it will if you stick it out. Maybe your kids do eventually reach out to you. Maybe they don't. You better be ready for both. Maybe a new relationship comes. Maybe not. Maybe an opportunity shows up just out of nowhere. But if you didn't do the work and you're stuck where you were, you ain't going to be ready for it. That's the part that nobody connects the dots. You don't get in shape, get sober, fix your habits, and then life goes, here you go. Here's a bucket full of money and a beautiful new wife. So when the opportunity comes and you're ready, you won't screw it up again. That's the difference. That's why this matters so much. The old version of you couldn't handle this. Would have lost it, ruined it, pushed it away, effed it up. But the new version of you is ready, stable, steady, disciplined, consistent. Doesn't need any bullshit validation to keep going, Facebook likes. Let me say this. If you're in that spot right now, you're doing it. You're doing everything right. Nothing's coming back. That sucks, man. But good. Stay there. That's where your life really, really changes. That's where it happens. No applause, no reward, no 1 million views, no immediate payoff, but you still show up. That's when you become someone different. Not temporarily better, different. And when something good finally does come into your life, you're ready, and you're ready to keep it. Not just get it and then worry about losing it. And there's a huge effing difference. Starting over isn't easy, but we are doing it. If you're starting over like me, please hit the subscribe button and type I'm in if you're doing this too. And I'm putting together a small accountability group along with the guys that I coach, mostly for men who are serious about this. If you actually show up and do the work every day, you might just belong in this group. It might just change your life. And if you want the full breakdown of how I'm rebuilding my life, I have dozens of videos here for you to help you. I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much. Like I said, please hit the subscribe button. It helps my community grow, and it helps a lot of people. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you on the next one.